Hi, I'm Jordan Bourke. I've got a delicious date, almond and ginger pudding for you today. It's steamed, so it's lovely and moist and plump in the centre, served with Jersey cream and roasted almonds. So we're going to start with the dates. I'm using medjool dates, which are already really plump and juicy and full of flavour, but we're also going to add in some orange zest, some stem ginger and some marsala wine. So to start, just zest the orange straight into a bowl. So I've just cut the dates into slivers, and then I'm going to add in the marsala, which will help to ease them apart because they're quite sticky. About a tablespoon, but just even a capful or so. And then we've got the stem ginger, which we've just finely chopped. That goes in there like that. And then just give it a bit of a mix so the marsala is evenly distributed. I'm just using my hand for this to separate the medjool dates apart a little bit. It's just so much easier than using a spoon. So we'll just set the dates aside, and then we're going to cream some butter and sugar together. So either in a stand mixer, which I have here, or you can use a handheld mixer as well. And then crack in each of the eggs, gradually mixing them in until they're fully incorporated. So now what we have to do is fold in the rest of the ingredients. You can start with the dates, with the marsala and the ginger and orange. And then ground almonds and flour. And again, they're just being folded into it. It'll seem like quite a dry mix, but because this has the benefit of being cooked in the steam oven, it has all that moisture coming in with the cooking method, so don't worry if it feels a little bit too dry. And lastly, we're just going to add in 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. And then just fold that all together. So all you have to do now is add it into dariole molds. I've just buttered and dusted these and then added in some greaseproof paper as well, just to facilitate you getting it out of the dariole mold at the end. And I'm just going to divide the batter evenly between the 6 dariole molds. Lovely, and now they go into the steam oven for 25 minutes. Oh, these are looking absolutely gorgeous now. So just leave them in their tin for a couple of minutes to cool. Then we're going to turn them out and we're going to serve them with a dollop of Jersey cream, some roasted almonds scattered over, and then a lovely drizzle of maple syrup. And there we go, my steamed date, almond and ginger puddings with Jersey cream, roasted almonds and maple syrup on top. Enjoy.